Mold is used in industrial production for injection molding, blow molding, extrusion die casting or forging molding, smelting, stamping and other methods to get the required products of various molds and tools. First of all, we need to choose the right tooling material to meet the work requirements, process requirements and economic applicability. Immediately afterwards, the workers move the materials to the workbench to prepare for the next step. The placement of the materials on the CNC machine is also very elaborate. Then, the workers take out the measuring tools to measure the mold material precisely, and need to adjust several area data constantly so that they are on the same level and cannot exceed the specified error value. Then, the workers change the turning head to test the data of the calibrated molds to get the most accurate data. After waiting for the data inspection to be completed, the worker then starts to change the cutter head and prepares for the finishing of the mold. First, the programmer has to program the mold shape designed by the designer and convert it into data to carefully screen the products to be opened. Then the staff enters the confirmed programming data into the CNC machine, so that only the heat dissipation machine needs to be given to the tool head, and it will automatically execute the program to work. The temperature of the iron chips eliminated by the CNC cutter head in contact with the moment just now is hundreds of degrees high. In order to avoid people being popped out of the iron chip scalded, so to high-speed rotation of the tool head to send air to dissipate heat, but also to close the safety door to ensure the normal operation of the machine. Waiting for the prototype of the mold out. But also need to replace the head of the mold for more detailed grinding. Waiting for the grinding work is completed, followed by tapping and punching holes, so that it can match the normal work of the hydraulic molding machine installed. In the process of tapping, the staff needs to follow the data of the machine. Manual work needs to be constantly added to the hole, to help the drill bit cool down the liquid. If this fluid is not injected into the drill is likely to burn out due to the high temperature. And there is a risk of burn dissolution damage to the mold. This will give you an initial mold from a piece of steel material that has been baptized through multiple processes. The metamorphosis into an exquisite silicone molding mold realizes its own value.